kiss and tell. We live in cities you'll never see on screen. Not very pretty, but we sure know how to run things.
Hey guys, we're TeamSaunk and we're here with a special guest.
Which is Bezat.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a little prank, which is a blindfold ding dong ditch. What it is it's basically we're gonna be blindfolded. I don't know how. We did
with their hands or something.
Yeah, with their hands. Then somebody is gonna lead the person to a door. Then the person who is bringing the person to the door is gonna ring on the door. And then
run away, and then the person blindfolded gets to take off his blindfold and run away. And if he did,
no, you have 3 steps.
The person blindfolded can take off the blindfold and has 5 steps to run away.
Sound good?
Yeah, let's do this. We're just gonna do a Rochambeau to see who goes first, okay? Wait, the loser goes. Wait, the winner.
The loser goes first.
Okay, on the third one. Okay.
Rochambeau.
Yes. Yeah. So we found our first victim. He's blindfolded.
I swear I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I swear.
Let's do this. I seriously don't want to be caught in this. He's knocking. Oh my God. Is that gonna be a fail?
Okay, they're not opening.
Okay, so guys, apparently this house just failed. So Ben is going to another house. Yeah, damn you guys.
2,000 years later.
It's already recording. Go.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new...
Can I record?
Okay, guys, that does not count as a blindfolded ding dong ditch. You're gonna see a really blindfolded one next time. Alright, just open your eyes. You already know where you are, so.
Fine.
Hello?
6.5 hours later.
So we just decided to ditch the idea of the blindfoldedness, and it's actually later at the day, and Bezat and our cameraman left, so like it's really dark right now, but we're still gonna finish the video, right?
Exactly, that's what we're gonna do right.
That's how much we care about you guys.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah. Hello. Let's do this. So we actually know the guy that we're gonna do it on. He goes to our school.
We already pranked him before.
Yeah, you'll see the video.
No,
Actually,
you can't because
the battery went out when we did it before. But Bizet, he actually just like put one of their rakes on him and acted like he was hurt lying down. And then they opened the door and I was like, what's this? So we're gonna do it again to them. But this time it's me.
Yeah.
You guys probably can't see us because of the lighting. There's some light. That's his dog, actually.
You didn't use that.
So cute. So cute. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy.
Should we go?
Hello, doggy.
Why? Should we go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
See you.
Bye, bye. Oh, he's coming with. Oh no, he's not. Bye, bye, doggy.
So good luck. Stefan is just preparing.
Du, was wir tun gerade kochen. Wir tun gerade kochen. Wir haben gerade Zeit. Komm. Pass auf, gell, das ist alles. Gell? Du weißt, wir tun gerade kochen. Da bringen wir es.
Okay.
Gell?
Tschüss. Did that go well or not? I don't know.
What did he even say?
He was like, der Winnie muss kochen.
Is he cooking?
Yeah.
Okay, we didn't even want him, so
Yeah.
we do not give.
2,000 years later.
Okay. Speak loud.
Hallo. Hallo. Das könnte jetzt eine dumme Frage sein, aber wissen Sie, wo die sind? Weil ich bin mit einem Freund verabredet und ich komme aus Mallerstein. Ist es das grüne Haus, das da rechts ist, oder?
Nee. Straße entlang und rechts gegenüber. Gleich Garage.
Okay, super. Vielen Dank.